Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, leaders. This is Mr. Purity. Please, ladies and gentlemen, I'm introducing you to a new dimension on how to do your presentation. Do not be carried away about earnings alone, forgetting the core values of learn, earn, and own. This is the dimension QZ wants us to do. The first thing to learn is about the company creating value beyond wealth. So it tells you that there is a value before the wealth. Let the people know that QZ Asset Management is a registered company and well licensed with a verifiable address. This is the address. Show them these evidences. Let them also know that QZ is not only located in China but is in Hong Kong, Japan, South Africa, and Malaysia. Explain to them the company profile, that this company is a 10-year-old company that has been trading in the index market for their clients. Also let them know that they have a technology called the BDAI, and this company is also regarded as a fintech company. Share with them the history of this company, that this company was founded September 2012, and since then they've been giant strides. Tell them about the history of the company CEO. The leadership is headed by Professor Blake Young, who has a doctorate degree in economics and is also the pioneer of the technology, the BDAI. Share with them the other management and also the investment strategy. There is something we need to understand. I want to take us back, which has to do with the core value expertise of this company. BDAI trading, China A shares, global index, and artificial intelligence. When you are able to point these things out, you can now tell them about their investment strategy that focuses on customer service, BDAI trading, and research development. Also let them understand what asset management company is all about, so that they will know that asset management companies are companies that are trading in the index market, but they are fund managers, and that the market of the index market is one of the largest markets that every person should invest. Point out to them that S&P 500 is the largest market capitalization, bigger than Forex, bigger than crypto, because S&P 500 has $39.9 trillion traded every day. Show them the records of QZ successes in the previous year trading the S&P 500. Show them this technology, the BDAI technology, that is a revolution that has won awards in various areas. Show them that QZ CEO in various fora, most especially the 2019 AI Expo Korea, went to the public, to the world, to show them the power of this technology. This is how to sell your business. Let people know that the company you have is not a platform, but once again, I remain Mr. Purity. This is our part 2 of how to present your business. The second version of how to present your business is how to earn from QZ Asset Management. You want to make some money? QZ Asset Management is the place. Please always tell your members that every investment is risky, that they should take calculated risks after their own due diligence. Now, this is how to share it. Show them that QZ has 6 steps on their investment process, which begins with them as a client. The money goes to the custodian bank. The money in QZ does not go to a platform. It goes to the custodian bank because this company has partnership with 6 global banks. QZ will assess the funds just as a broker, apply the technology, the BDAI technology, where they will now make stable returns, applying their principles of protection of every member's funds. And when they make profit, they share profit with the members. These are the ways that QZ has ensured that every member fund is protected. There are 3 steps, and I'm going to explain them to you. Show them this. That QZ has what is called the dual benefit. The dual benefit acts as an insurance, where if you put any amount, the company backs it up immediately. For instance, if you put the $10,000, the company will back it with under $10,000, which means they will be trading with $20,000. The company also implements what is called zero losses. The zero losses has to do with a stop loss of 50%. It therefore means that if there is volatility in the market, the trade will stop at 50%, thereby protecting your own capital 100%, while liquidation will affect them. As the big bank, they know how to cover that up. This capital protection scheme enables that your fund is always there, and if you want to redeem that funds at any time, QZ says you can do that, although there are terms and conditions applied to that. Whatever you invest in QZ, you earn 400%. QZ has two basic plans, the Elite, this QZ Basic and the QZ Elite plan. The QZ Elite is an investment from $100 to $900 where you earn 3.5% weekly, while the Elite is the investment of $1,000 and above. You can look at these charts, send these charts to them, let them see. Also tell them, encourage them that big players benefit more from this opportunity. Also tell them that this company also has a broker program, but this is not compulsory because this broker program is only meant for those that want to earn more and want to help their own community to grow, help people around them to have earnings. Show them the reward plan because this company gives reward. As you help them grow within the company will also recognize you by various rewards and you will enjoy various trips. Show them where this company has gone globally, the events they have highlighted. These are evidence of the reality of this opportunity. Friends, welcome to part 3 of our lecture today, which deals with owning. Remember, we said QZ business has to do with learn, earn, and own. So why are you here? Recall that we have done highlights. We did part 1, which has to do with how to learn. In the learning, we learned about the company registration, the structure, the operational system. In part 2, we talked about the source of revenue. Very important. If someone says, I will give you ROI, where is the source? Where do they work? Where do they trade? In QZ, we showed you that they trade in the S&P 500 using their technology. We also showed you how this company has lined up mechanism to safeguard your funds, because the safety of your fund is the paramount thing when you are doing investments. Now, here we want to talk about sustainability, how to own. QZ sustainability is the future of your investment. If you look at this short video, you will see that QZ explained to us how we can get shares. QZ is right now launching their IPO on NASDAQ. QZ initial public offering. That is what IPO means. So how do you own it? QZ decided to choose NASDAQ because NASDAQ is the technology hub of companies that want to go into exchange, who want to become tradable assets. If you study NASDAQ, just click on NASDAQ on your Google, you will read so much about it. Why do QZ want to launch on NASDAQ? Let me expand this so that you know. First is that they want to boost the company valuation, reputation, profile, and credibility. This is only a genuine company that can do this. Also, they want this company to gain access to the US capital market, attract investment opportunity, and world-class talent. So don't think you are the only person that QZ seeks. QZ wants a bigger market. And then thirdly, they want to raise funds for further research, development, and technology. You remember when we talked about the core values of QZ, you remember they talked about research and technology. QZ is listing. We are already buying these shares as investors. We bought it at $1, now it's at $2. If you miss it, you will buy it in the public at $5, and I can bet you that by August, you will not see these shares at $5. Now, if you want to find out if QZ is actually filed on SEC, this is how to go about it. Do follow these steps, you will get there. Look at the timeline. We are already at this stage right now, and if you look at the roadmap, we are already at this stage, that is stage 2, 15th April to 15th May, where we are buying these shares at $2. Please don't miss these shares right now. Don't miss it. That's my advice to all of you that will be watching this from